So very good morning all. Another morning, another ride. So we are going for a circuit ride today. So it will be from Pune to Satara to Kaas Plateau to Bamnoli, from there to Tapola, from there to Mahabaleshwar and return to Pune. So there is a complete circuit like that. We have near about 8 to 9 bikes today, mostly ADVs, and it will be near about 340 to 400 kilometers of ride from my place. This ride is not going to be like all other one because I don't think we are going to stop somewhere and going to shoot some cinematic videos. But if we can, then definitely we are going to shoot some. Let's see. As I said earlier, आज हम लोग के पास ज़्यादातर ADV है and few Royal Enfields. And a good morning sunrise. आज सूरज दिखता थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही ऊपर आ गए because we are late. So we are going through the new Katraj tunnel. This is a usual route for us. I'm going to stop in nearby Shell petrol pump as if anyone needs some fuel up and regroup.
क्या हुआ?
ये लोग इधर ही रहता है, ये लोग इधर ही रहता है।
हाँ, मुझे वही लग रहा है। इनका लाइनअप नहीं है, ये यहीं खड़ी रखते हैं।
यही पे खड़ी होती है।
चला के देखो, पूरी प्लास्टिक की निकलेगी ये।
भाई लोगों ने दिल पे ले लिया शायद, गाड़ी तो चल रहा है। So back on road. ये बस वाले कैसे भी चलाता है विदाउट एनी इंडिकेटर कुछ भी. दैट वाज अ प्रीटी क्लोज कॉल. वन ऑफ आवर राइडर, आई गेस वो गाना सुनते हुए गाड़ी चला रहा है. सम हिप हॉप म्यूजिक आई बिलीव. सतारा यहाँ से जाके राइट लेना पड़ता है.
In strength now I'm the only one. Only one.
हमारा एक ग्रुप आगे जाके रुका है.
हार्दिक,
क्या हुआ?
हार्दिक किधर है? ये लोग पीछे है सब। अच्छा, मैं तो से आराम चला रहा हूँ, मैं चला गया मेरे को दिक्कत।
मेरे क्या बीच में मक्खी चली गई थी अंदर।
अरे मेरा इधर लगा है।
हाँ,
सुसाइड करने का उन लोगों का शौक रहता है।
Take my mind will break. Will it break?
So we are in Satara.
Can I be your superhero?
From here we are going for Kaas Pathar, and Satara to Kaas Pathar का जो route है, it's like super awesome. You guys can see. थोड़ा सा चढ़ाई है, but it's really good. You can have fun. So Kaas Pathar is basically a plateau. It usually called Kaas Plateau as well. So आप लोग देख सकते हो शायद. It's kind of a highway on top of the mountain plateau. लाइक दोनों साइड को चीर के हम लोग आगे जा रहे हैं. It's like really really good one. This road, I really love this road.
from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero.
Shit. बीच में डॉग आ गए थे. Indian roads are like totally unpredictable, dude. That was another close call for today. So we reach Kaas Pathar or Kaas Plateau, our second destination. So from here we are going for Kaas Lake. From Kaas Lake we have to go for Bamnoli. That is going to be our third destination. So for now we are going in between Kaas Pathar or Kaas Plateau. But this area after a few months you can't even recognize. We have a video. I'll add that video link in my description. You can see that particular video and you will come to know ये पूरा area flower से भर जाता है. So this is Kaas Lake. हम लोग शायद थोड़ा सा नीचे जाएंगे. Isn't it so beautiful and peaceful? So back on the road. थोड़ा ऑफ रोड एंड ऑन रोड. ये ट्री कैसे सूख गया पता नहीं. पानी तो है अच्छा खासा, पता नहीं. Proper road is not there. We have to manage a few areas. लद्दाख तो नहीं पर थोड़ा सा तो फीलिंग दे ही दिया महाराष्ट्र में. I think we lost our way. यहाँ पे किसी का मैप काम नहीं कर रहा है. So मेरे पास मैप ऑफलाइन डाउनलोड किया हुआ है बट फिर भी it's not working as the map should. I think we are just going to follow the main route. Our captain Hardik Nalakar is just following up. If, according to me, if we are just following the main route, we will just going to connect to Tapola. So yeah, we missed that particular road of Bamnoli, but we are completing the circuit anyway. My camera battery is very much down, so I need to stop recording for now. So हम लोग अभी जा रहे हैं Tapola के side and we will stop over there as it will be our second last point, and from there we'll start recording. Tapola का पूरा पानी सूख गया है, completely dried up.
Fly away. It's the first time of today.
The beauty of Tapola, I'll add a video link in my description. You guys can go ahead and watch.
To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero.
So just cross Tapola. And very much near to Mahabaleshwar. Unexpected traffic, man. Completely unexpected. Benefits of two-wheelers. We are just passing by. Otherwise, we would have stuck over here for hours and hours. I was just planning to show some of Mahabaleshwar points, but it's not possible for sure in this traffic. So पहले महाबलेश्वर से निकलते हैं, उसके बाद we will just end this vlog, क्योंकि यहाँ पे ट्रैफिक से निकलने में बहुत टाइम लगेगा that I feel. Finally, we are out of Mahabaleshwar in Satara, and we are going to touch high road in few minutes. So do subscribe if you are still watching, and we are going to have a very few big rides upcoming. Not sure if it's going to be a group or solo, but we will keep updating you guys.